They got a new construction site here at Tift. Accessible trail construction. They got the machines, the excavator, got another one over there. They got this temporary bridge. That one is being, I don't know, rebuilt. Walk the plank. Yeah. Ooh. Look at this bird. Oh, where'd he go? I lost him. There's another bird. There's that bird again. I see you, birdie. I wonder what he's trying to do. Maybe trying to find a bug in the water. The bugs, trying to eat the bugs. Look at this bird. Where'd he go? Yeah, I don't know. What the? What was that? Was that a boat horn? Anyways, let us continue. The ducks. What? What?
He knows.
Oh. What are you doing there?
Yeah, they're in a tight spot.
Goosey! He's got stuff in his mouth. Goosey. What are you doing, Goosey? Messy eater. You're a messy eater. Sloppy.
Go around that.
I see him. Best, best friend. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. I love you. Nom, nom, nom. He's got mud all over his face.
It's purple from the back.
Look at the doggy. Quackity quack. Little ducky. Traversing the swamp. Infinity.
Over here, the sun will be in there. It's cool looking.
Okay. Yeah, he's up there.
Give me a stiff neck.
Not good.
Yeah, my neck hurts.
think this must be a beaver dam. Oh look. Birdie. He's gone. The geese maze. There's only two here. There's usually like their spot that they like to hang out in. There's only two this time. All the way over there. Oh, that's crazy. That one seems very big. Big and fat. Big and fat.
Check Puppy F for real quick.
Stop going, nobody cares. I want to watch the girls. Okay. This guy's all lonely. He's balancing on one foot. Whoa. I wonder where the
That's the other one.
okay, yes, I see it.
He's getting mad when he does that head thing.
How do you know that?
I don't know. They seem to do that when they flip their head a lot when they're
Maybe just He jumped in the water. Whoa.
In the trees.
Goosey, goosey, goose. Over there.
There's one next to it over here.
Goosey is sleeping. He is sleeping.
Red-headed woodpecker. You see it right on the tree in front of us?
Oh, yeah. I saw one of those last week. What's he doing? Wow, he's pecking the wood. Whoa. There's a red woodpecker and there's a geese mace. That you don't see those too often. Doing a tweet tweet. Oh no, oh, there he is. Well, that's pretty interesting.
Look at all the geese right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all over the woods right here.
What? No.
I'll just stand on.
Whoa.
But
You're on the
I'm gonna start walking back. Is that okay?
Okay.
I gotta use their bathroom. So.
Oh dear. Okay, whatever. Look at all these geese. They're standing on the tree trunks of the fallen trees. Look at that one. Oh, sleeping. I'm a baby. I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping. I'm balancing. I'm a sleepy little boy. I'm a sleepy little boy. I'm a sleepy little boy. Rock-a-bye goosey on the treetops. Do 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 do. Sleepy little goosey, 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 goosey. I can't tell if his eyes are open or closed. I see you, Goosey. I see you. There's another one. Oh, look, there's another one hiding behind that trunk. Whoa. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Oh. I don't see any other ones. Guess that's it. Look at this. This must be a new thing here. They must be making way for the new trail that's gonna be built here. Crazy. They get all these blue markers. That must be where the trail is gonna go. Interesting. We made it back to the construction site. We gotta walk over the plank. Oh no. Jack Sparrow and Pirates of the Caribbean. Ooh. Okay, we made it across the plank. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 deer.
Someday they'll have all that too. Far away. Oh yeah, you could see him in here.
Get them on film, maybe?
Got a white head, a
No,
little white
no.
streak.
They haven't, they went off with a nest. Yeah,
Look, I got him on camera right here mating. Look. Move around the
side.
front. See him? It's on the tree branch.
Oh yeah. Like it was like way bigger than that. It was like
Well,
it was
I
like
think they were
black.
eating. They
Well, that
put
is
their
black.
fish up there
Black
on the
with a white
branches
on the
of the
top.
tree.
Yeah, but that's
See her
just
in the
what.
nest over here? Up there with
It's
the
got
camera?
white on it.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Look,
Does that
look at him
camera
now.
work?
Come around the front more. It's got a
Not
white head.
anymore.
Well, that's
It
just was
did
up
work for
there.
I know it
For
flew
years,
over there.
but-
Look in the scope.
He's in the nest right here.
Yeah,
See the white
and
head?
the other one's over there in the tree.
Yeah, I see him.
Yeah. There is one in the nest. I can see
His
it.
head.
Dad, what are you doing? Susie, why'd you smile?
Wow. Interesting.
Look at that. Look at it.
Those.
Daddy, gotta come see this. How do you...
Pointing right at the one in the branch now.
I see it. Dad,
See
look
it?
at this. Dad, look at... Dad.
There's a wild bird there. The dove.
Whoa.
I mean, this is
Look at this guy, the Maper. He's the Maper. The Maper. Meep, 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 meep. Maper. He's over here too. This is little bird, little baby bird. Look into my eyes. Look into oh. There's this guy, Mr. Deer. Hello. I am Mr. Deer. Painting of the eagle.
The osprey's in the scope if you want to look at it.
1976.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Is ready? A red head. Ladder-backed, Nuttall's woodpecker,
Yeah.
downy woodpecker, hairy woodpecker, red cocked woodpecker, Arizona. I think, which one did we see? Was it more like, I think it was a downy. Oh wait, there's even more here.
I don't know. I think it was either. I think it was that one or that one.
Look how many there are. There's so many. It could have been this or downy, or wait, the downy would. I don't know. I have no idea. I think the one we saw, Will, was this because it was black and white only.
Boy, I know what a redhead.
We saw one earlier when you were up on that
Oh,
other boardwalk. There was one at the bottom on a tree. Oh
oh,
wait, you did get him. He was climbing the tree.
yeah.
Look, they go back even. Where do they start?
Seagull. Hummingbird. Blue jay.
Northeastern deciduous forest.
Whoa.
Yellow-bellied sapsucker.
Wait. Look, there's the hawk. The hawk.
We saw one of them in East Aurora in that tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know which one
Well, look at me in the video now. I never got those osprey birds on camera before. Oh, there it is again. Another nest up there. It's moving its head in a goofy way. Okay, well, I hope the viewers enjoyed this video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.